MP-elect of Lok Sabha, Dr. Angomcha Bimol has called on culprits behind aggravating the state's ongoing crisis to cease spreading false information that could incite public anger. Speaking to the media at his residence in Kaishamthong Top Leirak today, Dr. Bimol emphasized the need to identify those who are fueling the crisis, which began on May 3rd last year. He urged people to refrain from disseminating false information intended to broaden the crisis through social media. He suggested that instead of relocating minority communities from the affected areas, deploying more security personnel to protect them could also mitigate the crisis. He emphasized that instead of leaving the area due to the crisis, people should request additional security measures. Furthermore, Dr. Bimol stressed the importance of not spreading false information about the crisis, which could exacerbate the situation.
If we don't learn from history, we repeat it. Hai na bam lay dana ko. Adumai type the Churan Champur gi wari sa jiri rom da mukta hanba more gi wari sona ta hanbagi madu ta hanba thokte to khai ta ning ba Manipur bu thuai ning ba kangmuna masigi population segai ba se pami ne ba moi Indian state na kai wai thangdo rai no mafam ta tau da nga ga leiram gadam ni moi thangdo bhaw da ngak ta na leiram ga di thamari manga manung da hanjel ga leiram ne ba na hana siphai nga ga leiram ni mi sing se tapthara ga nga ki asaw jin tapthara ko tam adumaina man ba ai ngarang nahan mit the uba pictures se thangdo re se aduna aina ngasi press conference to we one ngarang hai grabani we na paude khonbaga mayam da appeal to mayam su to view ai su to jari ke akhoi gi leiba leingak na furup ama oigera moina tariba lam sing se mi thangdok ba ngahaki momentary ne haria thangdor ki bang akne aduna yari ma khai reinforce to raga life and property se full force nga thamgada bane reinforce to na ba ma nga thamna na baina sarkar da so ai appeal to jani ngasi gi leingak pai bi sing sina